Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 not launching. If you want to fix it, first you go to graphics settings, make sure to enable hardware accelerated, and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, install the latest update for your graphics card, and then go to Windows Update settings. Now just click check for updates and wait a few seconds, and then just install all the updates, download and install all the updates that you will find. Restart your PC. After starting your PC, now just right click on Call of Duty Properties Compatibility, enable those two options, and first option select Windows 8, click apply and OK, and after that your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.